I'd like to share with you my most recent discovery of a free app that pays really well, pays quickly. In fact, they pay around $5 every 30 seconds. And if you want to earn that much money in that little amount of time, join me in this brand new video where I'll show you all of the websites you'll need to visit, as well as the exact procedures you'll need to perform. Well, I must say that you are really fortunate to have clicked this video because you are about to experience a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This approach is accessible from anywhere on the planet and it's completely free, secure, and legal. So if you're serious about learning how to make additional money online this year, make sure you watch all the way to the finish. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. So this is the app we're going to use. It's known as Ibotta, and you can find it at ibotta.com. This is exactly the free app that will pay you money online using our approach right now. As you can see, Ibotta is a cashback app, which means you'll get money back for every purchase you make at their stores in the future. Yes, it's a terrific way to supplement your income on this platform, but it's not our primary means of earning money online today because it's not a strong way to supplement your revenue online. Anyway, I'd still want to point out that they've got you covered with cashback on every purchases like grocery, clothing, travel, and all of your internet shopping. I'd like you to scroll down and see how cashbacks operate right now. As you can see, after you install their app, you'll notice that you need to add offers. You'll be able to select thousands of products from your favorite stores and add them to your app's shopping list. After that, you'll go shopping. You may see that you go shopping for deals on your list and check out as usual. To earn money, submit your receipt on your link your grocery account. Finally, when you're ready to retrieve your money, you'll earn actual cashback. Your earnings can be withdrawn immediately to your bank account or PayPal account. As you've seen right here, we're collaborating with some major brands such as Expedia, Best Buy, Walmart, and others. This explains why the software pays up to $15 cash back. Now, how are you going to make $5 every 30 seconds without using this website's cashback feature? All you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage and pick Affiliate, just beneath the Work with Us section. Then you'll be directed to this website, where you may submit an application to become an affiliate partner. To enlighten you up, you can actually make a lot more money if you become an Ibotta referrer. To demonstrate this idea, you can see right here that you can earn $2 for each person you recommend. As a result, every individual you bring to this page will be credited to you. So if you refer 10 individuals, you've already earned $20. If you refer 100 people, you'll get $200 in your account right away. If you refer thousands of people, you'll earn $2,000 in no time. However, later in the video, I'll show you how to use an automated technique to send thousands of individuals to this page using your referral link. That simply means that by doing so, you can increase your earning potential. So pay attention while I gently tell you how to accomplish this so you can do it again and again. You can now view the real cash earnings their members have earned if you scroll down a little bit more. By participating as an affiliate partner on this website, their members have earned over $1 billion. And if you're curious about how you'll be compensated, you'll learn that you'll be paid directly through their platform. You'll earn $2 for each user referred to rate from your website or social media networks as stated right here. I need you to go to the top of their affiliate page right now and click on Become an Affiliate. Following that, you'll be directed to this page. You'll find some additional details here, such as these right here. You might read that using this Ibotta extension in a person's search engine will earn you $2. Additionally, every download of this app on an iOS device will reward you $2, which is a bonus of $4. All you have to do now is scroll down a little to find this application, which you should fill out. Completing this application will be your first step in earning money on this platform. Thus, it is critical that you complete it. Enter your first and last names, email address, username, and password to get started. Below that, you'll finish this section with company information. If you don't have a firm, however, you don't have to be concerned. You can simply type your name as an individual in this box. Furthermore, you won't need to worry about the website area because all you have to do is paste in the link of the platform that we'll be using later. Just keep an eye out because I'll show you the traffic source we'll be utilizing for your website area. After that, simply choose your country. Then enter your street address, city, and all of the other fundamental information requested by this website. After you've filled out all of the information, you'll need to scroll down and choose how you'd like to get paid. When you're finished, scroll down to the bottom and click this button to submit your application. Finally, if your application is approved, you'll receive your unique referral link, which you can share with others. And every time someone clicks on it, they will be routed to Ibotta. And if they register for a free account, you will be paid $2 for each registration. That's absolutely amazing, right? Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. Let's go on to the next step where I'll show you the traffic source we'll use for your referral link. Of course, you can market your referral link on any social media network including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and other social media platforms as options. This one, on the other hand, I believe is top of the line. It's called Trendry, and you may find it at trendry.com. This is their homepage, and it's a forum of making money online. You can actually put your referral link on this platform, and there are millions of people here that are interested in generating money online while saving and earning money. So with them figuring out how to make money online and you as their source, it'll be a win-win situation for both of you. This platform, as you can see, shows all of these topics and categories: make money, paid service, affiliate programs, passive income, forex trading, review product and website, and buy, sell, trade, for example, are some of the categories they provide. I need you to concentrate solely on the Make Money forum right now, and I need you to click on it. As you can see, here is the complete list of open topics in this category. You may also create your own post on Trendry if you register for free by clicking the register button at the top, located right here. By creating a free account here, you will be able to start your own thread inside the money-making forum. And all of the millions of people who use Trendry will be able to see your post, which will, of course, include your referral link. Because your postings can benefit the people on this platform, they can interact with them by clicking on them to sign up for a free Ibotta account, which will result you receiving $2 for each person you direct to it in an entirely automated method. Creating posts for the money-making category will only take a few minutes of your time. It's actually fairly straightforward. It will take you less than 30 seconds to publish your post on Trendry. And if you create additional posts with all of the different threads on this category, you will almost certainly double or triple your chances of getting traffic. As I previously stated, you can also use other platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Quora, and others. Now, on those platforms, I want you to make a lot of posts with your referral link in them so that people will go straight forward to Ibotta, and you will get $2 for every successful sign-up. Finally, if you follow all of my directions and suggestions, you might earn $5 every 30 seconds and $10 every minute. And that sums up today's tutorial. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.